EUASOO 10 inches -1 USB Type-C hub could connect to the latest MacBook Pro or USB-C devices with the multi-port USB-C hub featuring includes Ethernet/RJ45 port, Type-C PD charging port, 2 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, 4K HDMI video output, VGA, micro SD and TF card reader. The SD card slot and the TF card slot can be used on the hub simultaneous. 100% money back for quality problem within 30 days, 12-month and 24/7 friendly customer service. Crystal clear 4K HDMI output. Make your life more colorful. Mirror or extend your screen with the USB-C adapter's HDMI port and directly stream 4K UD or Full HD 1080p video to HD TV, monitors, or projectors for a cinema-like visual feast. When the HDMI and VGA output ports work simultaneously, the display will only duplicate and not extend, but the maximum resolution of both ports is 1080p. High-speed charging multi-port USB-C adapter provides one Type-C pass-through female port by which you could securely charge while connecting multiple peripherals for data transferring and worry-free. Power storage. Support system, Windows/Mac/XP. PS. The Type-C PD charging port is only applicable to devices with PD protocol. Reliable data sensing USB port designed to 3.0 USB ports support transmission speed rates are up to 5 GBps. Connect to your smartphone, tablet and hard drive for effortless data transfer. 2 USB 2.0 ports. Best connection option for wired wireless mouse and keyboard with a USB 2.0 extension cord that ensures the wireless network and other connected device work properly. These two types of USB ports can be connected at the same time, and this hub cannot sync data with iPad Pro 2018 via USB or SD.